thrust generated by a high-speed jet of gas. The air enters the rotating compressors through the air inlet. The blades of the compressor increase its speed and compress the air. This compressed air ensures a continuous combustion of injected fuel. The combustion increases the pressure and temperature of the mixture of air and combustion products. This gas mixture flows through the nozzle, a pipe with a progressively smaller cross-section, resulting in a greater speed of flow. The accelerating gas rotates the turbine that drives the compressor. Then, the gas flows out through the nozzle and, in accordance with Newton's third law, the law of action-reaction, it generates a thrust. Today's military aircraft engines often use afterburners, which increase efficiency by up to 50%. Additional gas is injected into the gas mixture in the afterburning chamber, which results in a further increase of temperature and pressure, and therefore thrust. The first mass-produced turbojet aircraft was the Messerschmitt 262, used by the German Air Force, the Luftwaffe, during World War II. Today, jet engines are widely used on military and passenger aircraft as well.